As the world cautiously emerges from the shadow of the pandemic, travel, a realm once so familiar and free, is now laced with both anticipation and sticker shock. Are we there yet? Takes on a new meaning as tourists, travel agents, and airline executives alike squint at the uncertain horizons of post-pandemic travel costs. Post-pandemic, the quintessential traveler's spending pattern tells a tale of caution intertwined with splurges on safety. According to a recent survey by the Global Tourism Board, there's a noticeable pivot towards destinations perceived as safer, though often pricier. Self-contained resorts and private villas are seeing bookings surge, indicative of a trend where peace of mind is part of the package deal. Industry experts note an uptick in revenge travel, a spree of pent-up demand releasing as borders reopen. People are not just traveling, they're indulging as if making up for lost time, observes Marla Thompson, a travel industry analyst. Yet, alongside these bursts of extravagance are tighter grips on casual spending. Less frequent dining out, for instance, suggestive of a nuanced financial confidence among today's tourists. The narrative isn't solely about more or less spending, but smarter, more selective expenditure. Insurance upgrades, direct flights, and sustainability fees now feature heavily in booking dialogues. This recalibration of the tourist's wallet, driven by an enhanced value perception of safety and sustainability, could have lasting impacts on travel pricing structures. Facing a landscape transformed by global crisis, travel industry stalwarts, from airline giants to family-run tour operators, are reinventing themselves. Airlines, for instance, are rethinking cabin layouts to offer more space and thus reassurance to health-conscious flyers. This move, while attractive, comes with a hefty price tag reflected in ticket prices. Adaptability is currently the industry's backbone, explains Jonas Eckhart, CEO of Fly High Airlines. We've had to overhaul not just our physical spaces, but our pricing models and policies too. Flexibility has become a key selling point, with travelers gravitating towards providers that offer easy cancellations and rebookings without punitive fees. On the ground, local tourism businesses show a spectrum of innovative responses. In Venice, famous for its overwhelming tourist footfall pre-pandemic, new crowd management strategies that include timed entry to popular spots have been implemented. Such measures, though initially costly, are strategic long-term investments aimed at sustainable tourism, poised to reshape visitor experiences and expectations. Meanwhile, the undercurrent of digitalization sweeps across, simplifying transactions yet raising the bar for tech integration in travel services. Online tour bookings, virtual queues, and app-based services aren't just conveniences, but necessities in the new travel order, adding a digital dimension to the cost calculus. In conclusion, the seismic disruptions caused by the pandemic have orchestrated a symphony of changes in travel and tourism, marked by a dual narrative of escalated costs and evolving consumer expectations. While the road ahead is draped in uncertainty, one thing remains clear. The journey of travel, in its new avatar, is not just about destinations, but the recalibrated routes we take to reach them. Whether these changes herald a sustainable era of travel or a fleeting anomaly remains to be seen, but the travel tapestry is undoubtedly richer and more complex than ever before.